Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Another quick video. This was probably the last Volvo video for a while. This is what I thought I had a problem with. The wiper is toast, right? The problem is these rear wiper arms are made out of plastic, and if you can see here, it doesn't actually sit in there. The plastic that holds it together is broken. It's a really common problem. So common, in fact, that they sell arm and wiper kits. The entire thing can be replaced. It's relatively cheap. I think I paid less than $20 for this. And it's a good idea to do so, because if you put a new one on here, it might just fall off if there's any kind of heavy rain, and then you're kind of screwed. So that doesn't help you out as much at all. So the first step you're going to do here, it's a really simple process. This Volvo V70 2000-2004, part number 1510158. And let's go ahead. I'll show you how easy it is to do this. We just pull this up. We're going to remove this piece right here, and that exposes a 14 millimeter. You can use a wrench or a ratchet. I've got a wrench here. I've got a ratchet here, and I'm going to remove that. The thing you got to be careful about is that I think on the 01s there's a sprayer up top that sprays down. This one sprays through here for your rear wiper sprayer, your washer. And so you don't want to damage that or bend it or anything like that. And once you have that bolt out, you're just going to kind of wiggle. Oh, that one popped right out of there. And you can see if we look up close, it's kind of a brass fitting. It's splined. So it's the shaft that comes out of here. All right, with that out of the way, go ahead and undo and install our new one here. This isn't a very long job at all. And it could be about $80 to $90 if you wanted to pay somebody in town to do this work for you. So I highly recommend that if you have the ability, you should do this yourself for sure. Okay, we're going to remove that clip. We can actually just put it forward here. And I'm going to go ahead and install my new wiper arm onto it, or wiper blade onto it. Should get a pretty nice little snap when it goes in. There we go. Okay, so we're ready to install it. You want to put it in here, and you want it to be fairly level. Yeah, I think that looks good. Oops. Right about there. Go ahead and install our 14 millimeter nut. Tighten it down. You don't have to go crazy on this, but you'll see you're taking the tension, as this is spring loaded, and you're putting the tension back on. There we go. Snap that back into place. This little piece right here, when the water comes out, it hits that and sprays up. Also sprays all over the place. That's it, my friends. Not a very long video, but if you've never done one before, it can be kind of confusing as to how to go about doing it. And if these little fingers are broken, you're definitely going to lose a wiper going down the road. We don't want that. Till next time, my friends, take care.